Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Python 3.9.5 on Microsoft Windows 10. You need to have Windows 8 and above. So let's get started. You need to have Chocolatey installed on your system. If you haven't, it's a very easy process. So I'm going to use Chocolatey to install Python on my Microsoft operating system Windows 10. If you haven't installed Chocolatey, go ahead and launch your preferred browser and go to chocolatey.org/install. Then you'll simply have to run this command, which is here, get execution policy, and if it says this, then you need to run this one. So basically, when you run this, it should say all signed, otherwise you will have to run this command and then this command. All these commands must be run as a administrator with your PowerShell. So go ahead and launch your PowerShell from your computer and then go ahead and run these two commands to make sure that you've got Chocolatey installed. So once you have Chocolatey installed, go ahead and run cmd or PowerShell, doesn't matter, but you have to run it with the administrator power. So once you have your command prompt up, you can go ahead and check what Python you have by typing choco list Python. So here we go, and it's going to check and list all the Pythons available and applications for Python as well. So we do not need everything here, we just need the Python. So if you just type choco install Python, it's going to install the latest release of Python on your system, and it's always going to be 64-bit. If you need 32-bit, you will have to go with these commands. So this is going to be 3.5.2 and this is going to be 3.4.1. okay, so if you're looking for Python 2, you simply type Python 2 instead of Python. So let's go ahead and install Python 3.9.5 on my system. So make sure you type this choco install Python and then hit enter. Remember, you have to run your command prompt or PowerShell with admin right, and you can see it's downloading for us. Okay, the process of downloading, installing and setting Python to the system's path is going to be just that one command, and then you have to say A to allow Choco to make changes to your system. So I'm just going to type A and hit enter. So here we are, Python is installed. It says Chocolatey installed 2 of 2 packages. So what are those 2 packages? I'm not sure. I think it's just the Python and then few packages that come with. Okay, so you get pip as well. Now I'll go ahead and exit and launch my standard command prompt, and let me quickly go ahead and enlarge the font size so that you people can see it. Now hopefully you can see everything written here in the command prompt. Now I can simply go ahead and say Python C uppercase V, and you can see it says 3.9.5. Similarly, go ahead and check pip. So pip is also installed. You can see 21.1.1. This also installs. If you want to check, you can go ahead and check tkinter. So if you're not getting any errors, you've got Python, pip and tkinter installed on your system. Now let's go ahead and I'm going to move to the desktop, and I'm simply going to use inline text editor, basically command line text editor, to write this hello world app. So this is going to simply say print hello from Python 3.9.5. okay, and that's it. I'm going to save it, exit, and now I can run it. So here it is. So this is Python 3.9.5 installation with Chocolatey, and we also have installed PIP and tkinter. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment. Goodbye.